Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the microphone level on your headset or even on your controller on your PlayStation 5. And there's two different ways to do this. I'm going to go to Settings and then go on down to where it says Sound. Then we can go to Microphone, go to the right, and then we can go to Adjust Microphone Level. Now make sure it's in the Good section over here. So my microphone is now muted. I can unmute this, and you can see it's in the Good section. So there should be a slider right here that we can move to the left or right and just increase this or decrease it. Make sure it's not too low and it's not too high. Your friends can also adjust the volume of your microphone in the party chat. So we can also press the PlayStation button, go on over to the microphone symbol right here. Then we have the option to select the input. So I have my wireless controller selected. We can go to mute. And then we have adjust microphone level. So we can adjust it under this screen as well. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.